Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. The West Indies women carved out a narrow 6-run victory over Ireland women in their rain-affected ICC World Cup qualifying match in Lahore, Pakistan on Friday. In a match reduced to 33 overs aside due to rain, the Windies women first made 181 for 6 of their allotted overs. The Jamaican pair of Stefani Taylor and Chanel Henry top scored with 46 each. Zeta James also made 36 and Captain Hayley Matthews 23. Jane Maguire took 3 for 45 for the Irish women, set 182 for victory and needing 6 runs of the last 7 deliveries. The Caribbean women dismissed Ireland women for 175 in 32.2 overs. Amy Hunter top scored for the Irish with 48, while getting support from Laura Delaney 36 and Christina Reilly 26. Player of the match, Hayley Matthews, took 4 for 24, her second consecutive 4-wicket haul in the competition, while Karishma Ramharak supported with 2 for 27 and Alia Alain 2 for 33. The win meant the West Indies women rebounded from their opening game defeat to Scotland women. They will next play Pakistan on Monday. Pakistan women defeated Scotland women by 6 wickets in their rain-affected game on Friday.